Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding with the number line. The number line, which was in an earlier video, is an excellent tool to help us learn the idea of addition. It is very visual, which means we can see what's going on, and this is how many students learn. So here's the number line starting at 0 up to 10. And as we said earlier, it does continue, or it can continue on. Let us use the above number line to help us perform some basic addition. These examples will show the actual process. First sum is 2 plus 3. All you do, wherever you see the first number, you just put a mark on the number, and for the second number, you go that many steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. The number you land on is the answer. So the answer is 5. 3 plus 4, put a mark on the 3, go 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, the answer is 7. 4 plus 5, you put a mark on the 4 and go 5 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer is 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3, you put a mark on the 1. You go 2 places to the right, then 3 places to the right. So here's our 2 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. There's your 3 places to the right. We landed on the 6, and that's the answer. 2 plus 2 plus 3. You put a mark on the first 2, then you go 2 places to the right, then 3 places to the right. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, we land on the 7, and that's the answer. 3 plus 3 plus 3, put a mark on the first 3, 3 places to the right, and another 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 9. Remember, the answer is whatever you land on. 3 plus 0 plus 2, put a mark on the 3, then you go no places to the right, then 2 places to the right. So here we go. No places to the right means we stay there. Then 2 places to the right. 1, 2, and the answer is 5. Worded problems. John had 4 marbles and Bill had 5 marbles. How many marbles are there altogether? So the total number of marbles is 4 plus 5. Put a mark on the 4 and go 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 9. Sue had 3 pens, Mary had 2 pens, and Peg had 4 pens. What is the total? Put a mark on the 3, go 2 places to the right, then 4 places to the right. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer is 9. Now we move on. Now here we can also do the same procedure for larger numbers, so this number line extends up to 20, so the same principles apply. Now since we've only got number line, we're just going to do our stepping and we won't do any marks, but it's exactly the same principle. 6 plus 7 plus 4, you put the pencil on the 6, you move 7 to the right, then 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on 17, and that's the answer. 6 plus 8 plus 3, you put the pencil on the 6, move 8 places to the right, then 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another 3, 1, 2, 3. We landed on the 17, so it's also 17. 9 plus 5 plus 4. Put a pencil on the 9, go 5 to the right, then 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 18. Excuse me. So 18 for that one. 10 plus 5 plus 5. Put your pencil on 10, go 5 to the right, and another 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 20. 6 plus 6 plus 6, start on the 6, move forward 6 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've landed on 18, so that's the answer. 4 plus 7 plus 8, start on the 4. You go 7 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 8 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Land on 19. That's the answer. I hope you're getting the idea now. 6 plus 3 plus 9. Marker on the 6. 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. 9 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Landed on the 18, so that's the answer. And finally, 3 plus 7 plus 6. Pencil on the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer's 16, so here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. We've seen how the number line can help us to perform the operation of addition.